Hey folks, Dan here for a quick video on these bad boys, the TP-Link Powerline adapters, which is the Wi-Fi Wizardry I didn't know I needed. Wi-Fi Wizardry, that's what I am going with. I am currently sat in my new home office at the bottom of the garden. Of course, I don't have internet down at the bottom of the garden, but I need it for both my day job at the laptop and my evening hobby, which is videos like this. I needed internet, but didn't have it. These Wi-Fi Wizardry adapters, Powerline adapters, are what have saved me, and they've been really great. I've really liked them. Using them for several weeks now. No performance issues. They've been really simple, really straightforward. Okay, so shortly I'll give you a little bit of a demo of my setup just so you can see exactly what I've done. But first off, what's in the box and a few key features just to give you a kind of an overview. In the box is two Powerline adapters. Okay, they are the plugs that go in the wall basically. And how they work is you plug one in next to the Wi-Fi router where the internet's coming into your house, and you plug the second one into a wall socket in the room that you want the internet to get to or be stronger in. Maybe that's like, I don't know, the lounge, a home office of your own, kid's bedroom upstairs, whatever. You plug it in that space. Okay, and what happens is the Wi-Fi internet signal gets sent through the electrical cable, like a wave apparently, in the house. Okay, your existing electrical setup, so you don't need to do anything else. It just sends it down those cables, goes in one plug, out the other, and you just get a much stronger signal. So really cool. You also get two Ethernet cables as well in there. I did actually choose to replace mine with my own custom choices, but the ones in the box are perfectly fine to use, certainly to start with. And you also get this quick start guide, which is really simple and straightforward and easy to follow. But to be honest, you don't need it. They're plug and go. They're so easy to use. You plug them in, turn them both on, and straight away they're going to work. They will automatically connect, or should do at least. And if they don't automatically connect, and you can tell by the green lights that are on the front of it, then you just press the pairing button that's on the front, and that should fix the problem. Simple as that. You don't need an app. You don't need to create an account. You don't need to download anything. It's literally plug and go, really straightforward. I didn't even need to use the pair button because they did it automatically for me the first time, and I've never had an issue since. So I really like that. They feel really nice in the hand. They feel quite comfortable to hold from like a weight point of view. It makes me feel like it's a good quality build, nice quality materials, that kind of thing. Okay, when you plug it into the wall, obviously you use a plug, and now you can't plug anything else into that plug. Oh wait, yes you can, because there's plug sockets on the front of the adapters as well, so you don't lose a plug. So that's wicked. So you can now plug your iPhone charger or your microwave or whatever it is into the Powerline adapters too, and you get like a pass-through of electricity. So you don't lose a plug, which is nice. Okay, you've also got, you can see down here at the bottom, Ethernet ports as well. So again, with this, I've got two devices to my right. I've got my laptop and my PS5, so that means I want two ports. If you're only going to plug into, say, I don't know, a work laptop in your home office and you only need one, well, only buy the one. And then you're happy days, you're only spending what you need to, you get exactly what you need to. That's fine too. Overall, yeah, they're just great. Really nice products, working really well, great performance, easy to use. Let me dive straight in and show you the actual home setup that I've got. And the big unveiling, there it is. So that's adapter number 2. We are still in the home office. The internet is coming into this adapter. Okay, and you can see just there the two Ethernet cables plugged in, taking the internet hardwired to both my laptop and my PS5. You see the LEDs right there, along with the pairing button that I mentioned just there in the right hand corner. There's the pass-through plug that is currently not being used because I've got a couple spare anyway, so that's okay. But yeah, it's not too big, you know, versus other plugs. It's just nicely there and doing what it says. All the way over here, there you go. There's the house. That's where the first one is. About, I don't know, 40 to 50 meters maybe. But let's go check it out. And here we are. So this is where the internet is coming into the house, just there. Okay, the Ethernet cable is hardwired then into my Wi-Fi router. Okay, and this black cable here, black Ethernet, comes out of the Wi-Fi router and into the first Powerline adapter, number 1, which you can see the black, just here. Okay, This time I am using the pass-through plug. Okay, can't remember what that device actually is, because as you can see I've got a bit of a mess, but it works, whatever it is, so that is fine. Exactly the same, I've got the 3 green lights along with the pair button because they're identical plugs. And that's it, that's the home setup, nice and easy. So hopefully this helps you out and you have as much success with these Powerline adapters as I have. Thanks for watching.